Let's have a look at question 3 now from exercise 108 from the Theta Mathematics book. And it says the points P, which is 1, -3, and Q, 4, 6, lie on the circumference of a circle. Or do they now? What is the equation of the chord joining them? Well, it's got nothing to do with the circle. We're just going to find the line that joins those 2 points. And they often give you these extra things that don't mean anything. It lies on the circumference of the circle. Well, who cares? okay. So let's just find -1, 3. Here we go. So here is our equation from that. So we're going to have y minus y1 over x minus x2. Sorry, x1. Cracky. Is equal to y2 minus y2 minus y1. This is not my day really. X2 minus x1. Made a lot of mistakes today. I just get tired and my brain goes into not thinking mode, and I just it's like when you read a book and after a while you're not really conscious of your reading and your eyes just glaze over the pages, and you suddenly realize you've turned to 3 pages and you can't remember anything you've read. So I keep doing that. All right, here we go. So let's have a look at these points. So the points are -1, 3. So I'll put here. So -1, 3. All right, so -1, 3. And we got 4, 6. There they are. So I'm going to call this x1. This is 1, y1. This is x2. And this is y2. All right, let's see how we go. So this is going to apply that y minus y1, which is a 3, over x minus x1, which is -1, is equal to y2, or y2 is a 6 minus the y1, which was the 3, over x2, which is a 4, minus an x1, which is a -1. All right, let's tidy all that up. So that implies that we've got a y minus 3, x now going to be x plus 1, 2 negatives, make that positive. 6 minus 3 is just 3, and 4 minus -1 is going to be 4 plus 1, which is 5. Let's cross multiply, so 5 lots of that become 5y minus 3 is equal to 3 lots of x plus 1. Expanding everything out, we've got 5y minus 15 is equal to 3x plus 3. Let's subtract the x's from both sides. Minus 3x. Here we go. So now we've got 5y minus 3x minus 15 is equal to 3. Well, I'm going to subtract the 3 from both sides. So now this equals 0 on the right. That's what we want. Well, -15 minus 3 is -18. I've got a -18. I've got a -3x, and I've got a plus 5y. Well, I really want this to be a positive, so I'm going to multiply everything by -1. So -1 times, I'll put times -1 times -1. And you could just put brackets around the whole thing, actually. Just equals, I'll put times -1. So you could just put brackets around the whole thing and go times -1. I didn't do that. So I've got 3x minus 5y plus 18 is equal to 0. I can't really simplify it any further, and that's what we end up with.